Opo.
I'm
Worst
sorry.
case scenario, ano po yung puwedeng mangyari dito sa mga kumpanya na pag-aari po ng mga bilyar 'no, given all these allegations? I don't know, all I know allegations pa lang, hindi ko pa alam.
Kasi hindi pa
Wala pa,
Yeah,
not
proven
proven,
of
until
not
course.
until
All
proven
yes,
allegations for
guilty.
now.
yes.
Okay. Sa totoo lang, of course, kung umusad 'to, magiging president. Excuse me. It will be a precedent setting, no? May mga nangyari ng insider trading pero yung dati, pero of course, medyo walang masyadong nangyari, no? I'm not sure kung what happened to the BW, no? Alam ko lang iisa yung na-convict. But it's yung na-convict, again, it's a pawn or it's a stockbroker, pero hindi naman sila nag-finance, di ba? Inutusan yung stockbroker, gano'n mo to, o sige. Oh. Pero of course, the stockbroker can be at fault, but largely ministerial, no? Eh yung nagpapatakbo o yung gumawa nun, eh, nasaan, di ba?
Kumita na.
Tumakbo na.
Kumita na.
Wala na.
Bigili na
Dito.
ng club shares.
Oo,
Binili ng condo.
lilipad na.
I think this is a litmus test for the SEC and PSC to make it right.